Hi, welcome back. As you have learned everything that you need for any profit making company, everything that is practical we have learned. Now let's check out how does a foundation, that is how does a not for profit organization, that is NPO, or you can in general language you can name it as NGOs, how do they maintain their accounts. So it is compulsory to them also to make their financial statement. And yeah, so this is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which is allegedly the world's largest foundation, okay, in terms of donation and in terms of work. So this is independent auditors report. Okay, KPMG is the auditor, one of the big four companies. And yeah, one of the big four companies which was generated out of a fraud only. So this is the consolidated balance sheet. Asset, same pattern. Plant property 607,000. Okay. Now it does not have much assets as you can see right here, but this thing right here is huge. That is the beneficial interest in the net assets of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Trust. You can check out the notes. And yeah, grants payable, that is the amount that is to be paid, is always considered as a liability, and grants receivable is always considered as an asset. Net asset without donor restriction. Okay, net asset is basically this minus this. Cool. What else do we have here? Yeah, contributions and other income, that is from grants or if some investments are made. Investment income, yeah, right here. Expenses on basically Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. I have done extensive research on this or this foundation. It has basically four programs. The first one is global program. The second one is for US, that is educating the blacks, Latinos, and other unprivileged races. Okay, that it considers unprivileged. I don't consider it unprivileged. Okay, you can read the notes on the note number 8. Let's go there. What else it has? Change in beneficial interest, contribution from trust. Okay, okay. Cash flow statement from operating activities, from investing. Yeah, so these are the notes and the main priorities you can read here right here. That is the global program of the Africa USA program, especially black, Latinos, and low income students. And there are two more programs, I guess. There are two more here, but they are not reported right here. And the foundation's trustees are three people, that is Bill, Melinda Gates, and Warren Buffett. Okay, yeah. So basically, they also prepare their accounts the same way as we do. Just they have corpus fund and grants in their balance sheets. Also, they have to be transparent about from who did they receive the grants from. Beginning balance, they have different for liquidity, loan PRIs. Okay, yeah. So this is individual segregation of all the balance sheet items that is given by every company. So there is not much difference in reporting standards of every if of profit company and not for profit company. Now this here with me is the audited financial statement of Ford Foundation. This is the third largest after the Open Society. Let's see if it's same or not. This right here is the balance sheet and the balance sheet looks same as ours. That is of a company, liabilities and net asset, unpaid grants. Okay, which soon will be paid. Contingencies and note. Let's read it. Note 8. It will be interesting. This is the profit and loss statement, operating activities, net investment, and these right here are expenses, that is program activities, grants approved. Okay, and cash flow right here. Okay, this is the segregation of the statement of expenses. So salaries and wages paid are 38,421 multiplied by 1000, of course. Travel conference meetings, okay, too much. And where is note 8? Fair value measurement, how did they value their assets? They have also invested in hedge funds and swap equities. Looks good. Where is note number 8? Okay. Investment details are also given, that is where it has invested: short term equity, US government debt, asset backed. Okay. Hmm. You can go ahead and read with your own pace if you want. I'll attach them in the resource file. Fixed asset segregation is also given. Provision for taxes, grant liabilities. The foundation has a grant liability that we saw in the current liability. What else? Post retirement plans for the employees. By the way, do you know there's a scheme called VRS, that is voluntary retirement scheme? And for in that scheme, if a person agrees to retire voluntary, that is an employee agrees to retire voluntary, the company has to pay him compensation for the early retirement. Hence, that amount, suppose the company has paid 100 rupees, so the company, let's assume the employee had to retire at 60, but the company has asked him to retire it at only 50 because the company can't afford. So right here they have to pay their VRS. Hence, the agreed compensation, that is the retirement scheme, is 100. Okay. Now the guidelines say that 100 should be expensed out in 10 years, not in a single year balance sheet. Okay. Now this is purely an adjustment, that is what that is expense that will be segregated over various periods of time like depreciation. Now what people do is, if they optionally charge all that amount in single year if they want, so yeah, they manipulate that amount and they charge it as per their will. Hence this is also an important various aspect to check out. There are various compensation scheme, VRS, gratuity, and yeah, a lot more. So you can go ahead and give them a read. So charity foundations have so lots of VRS. You can check them out. Yeah, this right here, contingencies. Okay, as a part of program related investment activities, further as a part of investment, the foundation is additional funding. Okay, so they have committed additional funding of 83.3 million over the next 10 years, but they are not sure that if the grants will be met or not. Okay, said so there is another NGO, that is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals Incorporation, that is PETA, and yeah, the audit report. So basically this one is also same, you can check it out on yourself, that is same format of assets and liabilities. If you are in the Asian countries, it will be liabilities and then assets, hence it doesn't matter much. Okay, and this one is income statement, support and revenue. Okay, cool. This is cash flow. These are the notes to account, that what are they investing in and why are they investing in. Animals in the entertainment industry. Target Kelly Miller Circus was forced to sell their business. Okay. Experimentation industry. Animals in food industry. Animals in entertainment industry. Yeah, so go ahead and check it out and you will see that almost They are prepared the same way, except they have some more legal requirements that they need to disclose. And yeah, charities are often a way to launder the money, because there are less people who questions a charity, because if you do one wrong thing in the 100 good things, that one wrong thing will not be considered anything. Hence, go ahead and check it out. So yeah, we are done with understanding the quickly understanding the not accounts of not for profit organizations. Good day.